Hello, good evening guys. Ito po yung aming area ng for having a Hermano Mayor. Dito yung aming venue. Dito yung aming venue kung saan kami is magpre-prefer ng aming handa for this coming feast of Senior San Roque. Senior San Roque namin, that is a customary feasts na ginagawa namin. At ngayon po ay ang Esteria family ang naka-headlines. Dito kami gaganapin namin dito po. Ito po ay nasa third floor third floor ng place kung saan gaganapin. Will be considered also as an overlooking area siya kasi nakikita mo, diba, it is already around the world. Now what I should say is around the place, nariyan ang bundok,